Folks, how's that car look? That car looks like brand new. This is the best car wash around. This is VJ's. This is VJ's hand wash car wash. These are the prices. You can see the excellent prices. And here's the finished work on that job. Look at this, look how nice this is. Virginia, she runs this place, an iron hand. Look how nice that car looks. You would not believe this car when it came in, but look at it now. She does a great job. She's fast. Come on over and see him. Hudson Avenue. In Hudson, Florida. The address is 14106 US 19, Hudson, Florida. 34667.
As long as we can. As long as life lets us.
At Dollywood, the Guild's part-time jobs end next month. Their income enough to make their next stop time off in Florida.
We're living on 20%, and we haven't starved yet. We haven't gone to bed hungry.
A craving for something different, as work campers trade money for memories. Janet Shanley at NBC News, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
That'll do it for us on this Saturday night. I'm Lester Holt for all of us at NBC News. Thank you for watching, and good night.
This is November 26, 2016. What's already there? Hello. Oh, there's nothing here. Okay. Hello, we're just right here in AT&T. Learn how to use this. Thank you. This is Don. Let me just turn